Okay, so I'm starting right off where I left off. The quarter starts on June 25th and ends in 2012. I think it's like August 10th. I should know this. I'll tell it August. No, I think it's August 10th. I'll tell it August 10th. Oh, I don't know what the difference is between the null dates and the course dates, so I'm just setting that as the same. And I suppose I should look it up because that might be important, but oh well, we're just doing this on the fly. We'll see what happens. So I'm telling it, import the content. And it says this could take a while. This could take a few hours for large classes, so feel free to leave. Well, if it's going to take a while, I'll go ahead and pause it again, and I'll let you know how long it takes. Okay, everybody, I'm back, and it finished, and I think it took about 15 minutes to get the course back. And so here I am just now having a look at what it's done. So I'm going to close this little space, this next space. I could add students to the course, add TAs, or publish my course. I'm not going to do any of that right now. I just want to look and see what it looks like. So recent activity, I guess, is just all the stuff it just imported. But let's look and see what it looks like. I'm going to click on assignments, see if there's anything there. Oh, there's my orientation. There's some discussions, quiz, my essays, my service learning project, my final surveys, my grade reports, and some additional imported assignments. So that looks pretty cool. Under discussions, um, here are several of my discussions. And I understand you can just drag and drop these. Let's just see if, well, that's not the way I do that. So, and it doesn't look like that works that way. I'll have to experiment with that. Not working that way. So maybe it's a different space. Anyway, um, I see lots of my discussions, and I told it not to import the posts. Here's something I do right at the beginning of the class, my personal description. So it imported it just like I wanted, and it says it's a graded discussion. I could add the rubric. I wonder if my rubric's imported. Well, if they did, it doesn't look like they imported in the same format, so I'll have to check that out. Find a rubric. Oh, look at that, they did. Oh, that's sweet. So there's my discussion rubric. And I can just use the rubric I had in Angel. Oh, I'm loving this. This makes me very happy. So there's the rubric details, and I'll add more details to that later. But yeah, that's nice. So let me go, let's see, the grade book. So it's got all my assignments listed there. Since there's no students, I guess there's no roaring out, but okay. Let me go back. How do I get back out to the class? There we go. There's no people in it yet. Let's see what it did with the files. All of my files were sort of attached to assignments and stuff, so there shouldn't have been too many sort of random files. But these are how Angel organizes all these files. It looks like I didn't catch all the gibberish ones because there's still some of them there. But I'm seeing pretty much all of my course content listed out here. And Angel organizes them under a folder called Course Resources, and so it did the exact same thing. There's also syllabus, so there are my old syllabi, and I can upload my new ones. So that's nice. There is a syllabus folder. Oh, and it just sort of lists out all of the assignments and activities, which I don't know that I would have expected to find under the syllabus tab. But I guess I could, edit syllabus description. That's where I guess I could include all my substantive content about my policies and everything like that. And then it also goes to the discussion. About